BIM 360 Design also provides the ability to author Revit models in the cloud concurrently with other team members. This is the same cloud work sharing feature that was available in Collaboration for Revit for those who are familiar with that solution. Now in this example, two architects are in the same Revit model. When the second architect wants to make a design change, such as changing the position of a few walls on the ground floor, they will receive a notification that the first architect currently owns those design elements. The second architect can request permission to take ownership of those elements in order to make the necessary design change. And upon receiving the request, the first architect can get a preview of the design elements that will be borrowed and grant the second architect permission to take them. With permission granted from the first architect, the second architect can now modify the position of the walls.